to the yoga pose. Oh my gosh, he makes it look even easier.
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Best one yet. Best one yet.
All right. Did you get one, Joyce?
Yes, I got one.
Okay. Just want to make sure you didn't miss out on all that.
No, I got it all.
Okay.
You gotta watch out your recording.
You got this.
Maybe that one that's curved will work better.
Try it.
Okay.
Shimmy it up like the people in like Africa do.
Yeah, I'll lamb that up.
Go, go, go. There you go.
Oh, she got it.
Just be careful coming down. Look at you shimmying up that tree.
That's about as good as it's gonna get.
Look how high she is, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Now the fun part is get down.
Yeah.
Water, give the donkey water.